Hi guys, welcome to CodePatcher, and in this video I will discuss many-to-many polymorphic relationship. So the basic many-to-many relationship has three tables. One is a parent, second is one is a child, and third one is a mapping table. Okay, and in this relationship only one parent exists. Okay, so in the mapping table we have the UID, parent table ID, child table ID. Okay, but in a polymorphic many-to-many relationship, we can have more than one parents. Okay, as you can see, currently we have the two parents. Okay, one child table tag, and the third one is the mapping table. So if we check out the mapping table, there there are the two specific column for this to identify the parent instance. One of is the type. Okay, the type contains the parent instance type. In this case it is a post and video. Okay, and second one is the id, the id of that instance. Okay, one more column we have, the tag id is a column that contains the id of the child table. Okay, so to implement uh, this relation, Laravel Eloquent provides some methods, and we have a related model for these tables. First one is the post, second one is video, and third one is the tag. Okay, so to implement the relationship, this relationship, for example, if you want to fetch the tags for the photo, tags for the post, then in the parent table, public function tags. Okay, because it's a many to many, and a post can have more than one tags. Okay, and in return, so Laravel Eloquent provides a method for this morph to many. Okay, in this method, first parameter will be the child class, in this case tag. Second one will be the relation name. Okay, like this. So this relation name will be used to find Laravel to find out the column name to identify the parent instances. Okay, Laravel uses this relationship name. In this case, you can see taggable ID and taggable type. Okay, we have given the taggable type, taggable, as a relation ship name. Okay, taggable. So Laravel try to find out this column. If it is not able to find, then it will throw an error. Okay, for this. And if you change the relationship name, if you give here xyz, then you should give here xyz underscore id and xyz underscore type column name. And okay, and still if you don't want to uh, uh, let the Laravel find out the column automatically, then you can pass the custom column here for the type. Okay, and for the name, for the id. Okay, like if you want to give here different name for the type column, like abc type, and for the id column, you want to give the parent id. Okay, then give here simply abc type. Okay, and parent id here. Okay, So Laravel won't find it automatically, but it will use your parameters to find out these columns. Okay. Now we are ready to fetch out the tags for the any post. And in our database, we have the two tags for the 77 post ID. Okay. You can see the post, the instance type post and the ID here. So let's find out the post with the ID uh, 77. Okay, so let's give here and return post. Okay, now if you refresh, you will get the information about the post. Okay, and if you want to fetch out its tags, then using the relationship name tags as we have defined here. Okay, then you can simply refresh it and find out the tags. Okay, and in this rows you can see that there is a pivot section also. Okay, so it denotes the uh, third, it denotes the mapping table information. Okay, you can see taggable id, taggable tag id and taggable type. Okay, and the same you can implement the other parent in videos. Okay, and if you want to fetch the video here, let's change it to the video. Okay, and in our database we have the records, tag records for the video id 3. Okay, and the video id 3 is the coding standard. And now if you refresh, trying to get a non-object. Okay, okay, we need to give here the id, and now we will get the information about the video and their tags. Okay, it's a tags information and it's a pivot table information. Okay, and if you want to load it by default, then you can use the with, as you can use it with any relationship name, with any relationship, and you don't have to write here tags. Okay, it will return by default the tags information with the video. As you can see, here is the video information and here is the tags information. Okay, and here is the taggable information. Okay. So in this way you can implement the relationship in the parent and fetch out their tags. And if you want to fetch the parent information from the child, so this called inverse relationship. Okay, so for example, you have a tag id and want to fetch its parent instance, then you can find out by defining this relationship public function. Okay, and inverse relationship taggable. Okay, and once again, no, for the inverse relationship you need to define the separate method for each parents. Like if you want to fetch the post instances, okay, then you need to define here posts like this, okay, and return using the Laravel Eloquent method, okay, morph by many, morph by many, okay, and provide the child target class and provide the parent class post, okay, and the relationship name, okay, like this. And for the videos, you need to define the separate relationship method for the videos like this, okay, and pass the videos class, okay. And now if we have the tag id, let's have the tag id 1 and tags find 1, okay, like this, okay, and return, okay. uh, we are fetching out, we have fetched out the tags information, okay. And now if we want to get the post, okay, we use the post relationship as we defined in the tag model here, okay. Now if we refresh, we get the post instance, okay. Like for the videos, if this tag attached to the videos as well, yes, we have attached the video with the tag id 1, so we can fetch out the videos and using this relationship as we define the model, the videos, okay. Now if we refresh, you can get the video information, okay. So like this, we can fetch out, we can implement the many to many polymorphic relationship, and it is very useful to keep your database dry, okay. So you can use the one table to store the many to many relationship for the multiple parents, okay. And it's a daily scenario, I tell you. So it is a very useful, okay. So let me know if you have any question, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you get anything from this video. So thank you for watching this.